Hi everyone and welcome to creating custom fields. So you'll start at your home page and what you can do is you can go to settings and you can either click directly to custom fields here or we can go to all settings and we can type in custom fields. Now, custom fields are used when you want to put some information in the system that hasn't already got a field on there. So it's basically if you're on our advanced package and you want to be able to highlight, report on, and also capture these granular details. So once we're on the custom field page, we've got these headers here along the top. These mirror what are in the profile section. So if you wanted a new custom field under job, you can create it here. If you wanted it under the salary details, you could create it here. Similarly with the person details as well, you can create them under here. We've already got a few details and examples here for you, but today we're going to create them. So first of all, we're going to head to create a custom field. We can give it a name. So for example, we can call this like DBS number. Automatically as I'm typing that, the API name comes up. We can then describe the data type. So we've got the person. We can also track it via location or phone number, position title or training. The DBS number is about the person. So I'm going to select the person. We can then choose a field type. So what is going to be put in here. So I can choose that it's going to be a number. We've also got the ability to have a single select or a multiple select. So if I select one of these, we can then type in options in here. For example, if this was another field, like please select, are you a citizen of the UK or Australia? You could put yes and a no option. If you've got a multiple select, you could put something like please select the below that apply to you, and you could put numerous ones in here as well. But for the DBS number, I'm going to continue with adding in a number field. We can also add a tooltip. So here you can add in any writing that you want to appear on the information bar, such as this one here. So if you need any guidance or if people get confused or need some further understanding, you can put something in here. So you can put in, your 16-digit DBS number. We can then choose a custom category field for it. So we can choose any of these. So at the moment, I'm going to put in additional details. We can then choose if we want it in an analytics category. So if we don't want to have any analytics, I'm going to select none, and I'm actually going to exclude it from analytics because we don't need to track everyone's different DBS numbers. We can also select if this custom field is sensitive, and therefore if you're sharing your screen or if you're in an office environment, you'll have to click on a button that says press to reveal the answers. We can also have this custom field as required. Therefore, when you're filling in the information, you have to insert the number in order to save it. If I hit create, this is going to create the field for us. With this, it's just showing us the permissions created alongside it. When I click on additional details, I can now see that our DBS number has pulled through. Now, for example, if I wanted it under another category or a header, what I could do is I can create a new category. So we've already got some categories inserted here already, but I'm going to click on no template and create a new one. So I'm going to call this extra information. I can then select the custom field. So what I'm going to do is select the DBS number. Once I hit create, this will then take us back to the page and I can see that we've got a header called extra information. And when I expand this, we've got the DBS number. On the person and also on the remuneration schedule, we can create categories, but on the job and the email address, we can just simply create custom fields. So when I go into a home page, so if I go into my profile, we can see that under the profile, as we scroll down, we've got the extra information, and we've got the DBS number to which we can update it, and we can put the information in there and save it. You'll also see it's required, so that's when we mentioned that it's a mandatory field, so we have to put a figure in here in order to save it. We've also got the tooltip, that little I, so that I've put that's a 16-digit DBS number. So that's all for our custom fields training today. Thank you very much for watching.